Namaskar, kids and parents. How are you all? Hope you are all well and good at your home. So let us start with prayer. Turn your hands, close your eyes. Start with me. Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurvasvaha तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः. So kids, our today's topic is birds. Let us start with our flashcards about birds. So, which bird is this? This is parrot. What is the color of parrot? Green. And what is the first letter of parrot? P for parrot. First letter is P. Right? Next is sparrow. Sparrow is small bird. And what is the first letter of sparrow? S. S for sparrow. हमें आज फर्स्ट लेटर लिखना है. सो स्टूडेंट केयरफुली आप देखो. What is the color of duck? Yellow. And duck water में swim करती है, right? What is the first letter of duck? D. D for duck. D for duck. And which bird is this? This is crow. C for crow. What is the color of crow? Black. ये सारे birds air में and sky में fly करते हैं with two wings. Which bird is this? This is owl. What is the first letter owl is? O. O for owl. O for owl. वो रात में आता है एंड वो रात में ही देख पाता है. देखो इसकी बड़ी बड़ी आइज कैसी होती है. And which bird is this? This is hen. What is the color of hen? It is on brown or creamish. And what is the first letter of hen is H. H for hen. H for hen. Which bird is this? This is peacock. Peacock have a long and beautiful feathers and it is our national bird. And what is the first letter of peacock? P. P for peacock. P for peacock. Kids, here is CW page number 51 in worksheet and HW homework is page number 84 in worksheet. Now let us start with our CW. First of all, we have to write CW and mention today's date. Look at the picture given below. Look at the picture. आप सब बच्चों ये pictures जो worksheet में है पेज नंबर 51 वो देखना है. Given below identify the birds. हमने अभी फ्लैश कार्ड में देखा था. जैसे वर्कशीट में सारे बर्ड्स वो आइडेंटिफाई करने हैं एंड राइट द फर्स्ट लेटर्स ऑफ देयर नेम्स. इसके नेम के ये बर्ड्स के नेम के सारे हमें फर्स्ट लेटर लिखना है, राइट? सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विथ फर्स्ट बर्ड. व्हिच बर्ड इज दिस? दिस इज स्पैरो. एस फॉर स्पैरो. फर्स्ट लेटर मैंने तो बोल दिया. चलो राइट डाउन हियर इन दिस मिडल लाइन स्मॉल लेटर एस. S for sparrow. Sparrow is a small bird. Which bird is this? This is crow. Crow is black in color. And what is the first letter of crow? C. Now write down with me. C for crow in middle line. Small letter C. Now next is owl. What is the first letter of owl is O. O for owl. Write down here O, small letter O. And now which bird is this? This is parrot. P for parrot. Write down P with me. First we have to write here standing line and curve. Small letter P. Now which bird is this? Everyone knows right now, right? अभी तो हमने सारे देखे ना. Yes, this is peacock. What is the first letter of peacock? P. So let us write down letter P. Now, which bird is this? This is pigeon. Again, what is the first letter of pigeon? P. P for pigeon. Now, which bird is this? This is duck. D for duck. Write down first letter of D. What is this? This is duck. What is the color of duck? Yellow. What is the first letter of duck? D. Write down D with me. Small letter D. D for duck. Which bird is this? This is penguin. Penguin fly नहीं कर सकता. Penguin cannot fly. And what is the first letter of penguin? P. P for penguin. P for penguin. Which bird is this? This is hen. Hen का first letter कौन सा होता है? H. H for hen. Write down here. H for hen. Our CW is complete. So let us move. So let us turn on our worksheet. So this is the page number 51 in worksheet. First of all, we have to write here CW and mention today's date. Look at the picture given below. Identify the birds and write the first letter of their names. सारे birds से उसके हमें first letter लिखना है, right? So let us start with this bird. Which bird is this? This is sparrow. Sparrow is a small bird. So what is the first letter of sparrow? S. Write down here in the middle line. S for sparrow. And which bird is this? This is crow. Crow का first letter कौन सा होता है? C. C for crow. Now, which bird is this? This is owl. O for owl. And now, which bird is this? This is parrot. P for parrot. Which bird is this? What is this? This is peacock. What is the first letter of peacock? P. Again we have to write here P for peacock. Which bird is this? This is pigeon. P for pigeon. Right. Now which bird is this? This is duck. D for duck. D for duck. Write down D here. Which bird is this? This is penguin. Again it is fourth time. Write down P for penguin. Which bird is this? Hen. H for hen. Write down hen. H for hen. Okay, now we let us move on our homework part. It is our page number 84 in revision part, right? Let us take out page number 84 in revision part worksheet. And first of all, page number 84. We have to write here HW and mention today's date. See the picture and write its letter. हमें क्या करना है यहाँ पर? सारे पिक्चर्स है उसको देख के फर्स्ट लेटर लिखना है ना? Again we have to start so you can memorize all these things, right? Which bird is this? This is crow. Crow का फर्स्ट लेटर कौन सा होता है? C. आपके वर्कशीट में कलरिंग होगा, राइट? तो यू कैन फाइंड इजीली. Which bird is this? This is owl. Write down O for owl. Which bird is this? Sparrow. Sparrow का first letter S. S for sparrow. Which bird is this? This is pigeon. What is the first letter of pigeon? P. P for pigeon. Which bird is this? This is parrot. And what is the first letter of parrot? P. P for parrot. Now which bird is this? This is penguin. Write down first letter of penguin. P for penguin. Which bird is this? This is duck. D for duck. Write down D. Which bird is this? Hen. Hen हमें eggs देती है, right? Write down first letter of hen. H for hen. And which bird is this? This is peacock. And what is the first letter of peacock? P. P for peacock. Peacock is our national bird, and it have beautiful and colorful feathers. Thank you. So let us move on our CWHW part. CW is page number 51 in worksheet and HW page number 84 in worksheet. Thank you.